TIS can control cooling and heating systems that use a Modbus RTU port. You can use the TIS IP COM port or the RS485 converter as a Modbus master. Just connect the system's Modbus RTU wires to the TIS RS485 converter, D+ to Modbus A and D- to Modbus B. To configure this, open the IP COM port from the list and double-click it. In the General page under RS485 Parameters, select Modbus Master as the mode. Configure the other parameters such as baud rate, parity, and stop bit according to the manufacturer's Modbus protocol manual. Under AC brand, you will find a list of integrated brands and models. TIS supports many brands including Actron AC, Daikin Altherma HPS, Olimpia, Intesis, Carrier, York, and others. If your brand is not listed, you can send us your device's Modbus protocol and we will try to add it in the next firmware and software updates. Select your brand and press Save. To assign a TIS keypad with thermostat function, select the keypad from the list and double-click it. Go to the Air Conditioning tab. Select the AC page number, enter the name, choose the room, and press Save. Under AC type, select VRF. Enter the Subnet ID and device ID of your Modbus RS485 gateway. The Modbus slave ID must match the Modbus slave ID of the AC unit or thermostat. The indoor unit ID must be 1 for most brands, except for Intesis multi-brand gateways, where it must match the indoor unit number. Press Save. At Thermostat Control Options, enable automatic control if the original AC wall controller has been removed and the TIS keypad is the only controller in the room. Disable automatic control if the original AC wall controller is still installed in the same room. You can test AC control from the AC status section or from the AC page on your wall panel. After configuration, your AC page will appear in the project database.